see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, we're going to be going on an egg collaboration. So let's go ahead and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. Today, I'm doing an egg collab with Jenn In Kanata. And of course, I'm doing a pub favorite. We're doing Scotch eggs. I went ahead and I peeled them all. I'm going to open up the tube of sausage. I'm going to divide that into 6 because I have 6 eggs and I'm going to have 6 equal parts of the sausage. We're going to sit there, need 1 beaten up egg, and we're going to need some Kellogg's cornflake crumbs. Now, I have a bowl out, and we're just going to sit there and crack this egg down in it as such. Now, simply take your hard-boiled egg, take one of your pieces of the sectioned off tubes of meat. Remember, we divided it into 6 parts. Well, go ahead, start to flatten that all out, and we're just going to sit there and shape it all right around the egg. And take your time as you're doing this. We're in no rush. And encase it good. Okay, now that we have it all. Oops, I see a spot of raw egg. I don't want that. I want the sausage all evenly around my egg. Now, we're going to sit there and take this sausage egg encased ball, and we're going to sit here and put it into our beaten egg, and then we're going to sit there and put it into our cornflake crumbs. Now that it's inside the egg mixture, oops, now don't go doing what I just did. You know what? Toss that fork. Use your hands. And we're going to sit there, toss that all around. Let's go ahead and remove that spoon. And now let's take that and dip it all into our cornflake mixture. And now, I don't like getting my hands scoop, people. So I'm just going to sit there and cheat. And we're just going to sit there and shake all the ball around until we get it all encased as such. Air fryer pan. And I'm just going to sit there. Here's our ball. I'm just going to sit here, put it down inside my, oops, my air fryer. I'm going to continue to make the rest of my balls, and we're going to sit there and air fry them all up. Okay, here they are, all in my air fryer. Now, I have my air fryer turned all the way up to 400, and we're going to sit there and cook or air fry these for 30 minutes. So, I'm going to sit there and turn them over after 15 minutes and then continue to cook them for the additional 15 minutes to make the 30. Alright. It just sounded off, so I'm going to sit there and take out my air fryer basket. And now we're going to sit there and flip these over, and we're going to cook them for an additional 15 minutes. So I'll be back when I'm all done turning these all over. And back into the air fryer for an additional 15 minutes. And there you go. There's my egg collaboration. Now, if you thought that this video was egg extravagant, give me a big old thumbs up. And if you're a new subscriber, hey, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet, go ahead, go up above, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll be notified every time I do put out a new video. And I wanted to sit there, thank each and every one of you for taking the time out to watch my video. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatins'. And y'all come back now, you hear?